This is a Rheem central heating and cooling system display at a Home Depot. And these are actually not real units. They are just mock-ups for display only. The air conditioner doesn't have a condenser coil or a compressor in it, and the furnace has some of the guts visible, but I don't think there's much in there. See, it says sample on the energy guide.
Wait over there.
Only 3 more days left on that offer. Yeah, there's like nothing in here. And if this were a real condensing unit, I would not be able to lift it up. Then there is a ductless system over here. Mitsubishi Electric. And this one is also a mock-up. You can see it's just like the front half of the condenser cabinet. I think that's just like a picture of fan blades right there. So yeah, it's nice to know they didn't do this to a perfectly good system. It's just a mock-up built from the beginning for display. The last one they had on display in here was a real Train XLI from, I believe, 2002. It was an XL13i, and then they took the XL13i fan grill off of it and put an XL14 or 15i fan grill on it, and that thing just sat in here unused until they took it out and replaced it with this. So I'm glad they did not use a functional system for display this time. A Train is just too nice a system to spend almost 8 years on display in a is that? Nothing's in there. A tree is just too nice a system to spend its entire life on display in a hardware store and then be probably scrapped. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.